Hey everyone, this is Brad Roybal, and today we'll be going over Do Now 2.7, which is the bouncing ball Do Now. So this Do Now is actually pretty simple. As you can see, I've already started by changing my sprite to a sort of yellow-looking, I would say, ping pong ball. You can see him over there, right there on the stage. So the entire point of this is to basically use the 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks that they give you to create a ball that bounces around the screen. So I'm going to start off by placing those as I see fit. So I'm going to start obviously with the when the flag is clicked. Then I'm going to start with the forever and place it right there. Forever is going to give the ball, basically it's going to recheck everything that's in the forever loop again and again and again, or it's going to do those actions again and again and again. What I'm going to do is go to motion and take the move 10 steps and place it right here. I'm going to change it to 3 steps because that's what the Do Now specifies. After using the move, we then want a block right here that is if on edge bounce. And we're going to set it inside that forever loop. Now we can see when I click this, anytime that ball will hit an edge, it'll bounce. This becomes very important when we start moving on into our further lessons and we start working with things that are going to move around the screen and hit the different boundaries. We want to make sure that nothing escapes this area. That way, one, it doesn't clog up our memory because we have all these out of boundary shapes that are doing stuff that we can't even see. And two, obviously, we want to keep things where we can see them. So finally, the last part, we just want to basically create a second sprite. So what I'm going to do, instead of creating a second sprite using this button right here, I'm going to right click on my sprite that I already have, click duplicate. And you can see now I have another sprite that has the exact same code as the first right here. I'm going to go ahead and click stop. I'm going to move this ball slightly further up. I'm just going to have it on a different part of the screen and click play. You can see they go in different directions right now at that same speed, but they do basically that same thing. Whenever we click that flag icon, forever until we stop the screen, these balls will move 3 steps in the horizontal direction right here. And if they hit the edge, they bounce. And that is how you do Now 2.7.